Every founder knows this feeling. You open an AI tool, and it has no idea what you did yesterday. All context gone. You waste hours retyping investor notes, recreating onboarding docs, and scrolling through Slack just to find what was already said. You deserve better. Meet Tanka, your AI co-founder with memory. With Tanka, context never resets. You say, draft a follow-up email to Sarah at Sequoia. Tanka instantly recalls her last messages, your pitch meeting notes, and your latest metrics, crafting a polished, investor-ready reply. You say, turn this Slack thread into a 5-slide board update. Tanka builds the deck automatically using real company data and formats it perfectly. You say, onboard our new PM, Ali. Tanka generates a personalized portal with every past decision, roadmap, and key document, all ready in minutes. That's not just automation, that's memory in motion. Here's how it works. Step 1, capture. Tanka connects to your company's tools, Slack, Gmail, Notion, Google Docs, Drive, Calendar, and more. Every message, meeting note, and attachment is captured in real time, but not just stored. Tanka links who said it, when, and why, weaving context around every piece of information. You can literally ask, and Tanka surfaces the full story, Slack threads, documents, and related emails, all in one place. Step 2, organize. Once captured, Tanka organizes everything into a dynamic memory graph, a living network of documents, decisions, and relationships. Investor feedback connects to your pitch deck. Customer tickets connect to product features. Meeting notes connect to next step actions. Ask, and Tanka retrieves every relevant comment and your responses, fully connected and contextualized. Step 3, act. Tanka doesn't stop at search. It builds. You can say, generate a Series A pitch deck, and Tanka will compile your previous decks, investor notes, and strategy docs into a new, ready-to-share presentation. And it extracts the key points, feature requirements, and dependencies, automatically structuring a PRD. Even external research works. Summarize this article and link it to our roadmap, and Tanka ties new insights directly into your knowledge base. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Step 4, learn. Every correction, every edit, every approval feeds back into Tanka's memory. It learns your tone, your writing style, and your company's priorities. When you ask, Tanka nails it, instantly matching your voice and structure. Over time, it evolves with your company's strategy, ensuring every new output aligns with your direction. Step 5, scale. Tanka's vertical agents all share the same unified memory. The Fundraising Agent builds investor decks and can even submit directly to Tanka's verified investor network. The GTM agent creates go-to-market plans. The Hiring Agent handles onboarding using your company's real history and culture. The Product Agent connects tickets, feedback, and roadmap decisions into actionable outputs. No silos, no lost context. Just one living company brain that powers every workflow. Tanka treats your data like your most valuable asset, because it is. It's SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 certified. All data is encrypted in transit and at rest. Your memory stays private, never shared across organizations, never used for model training. You're always in control. Right now, the Fundraising Agent is live. Soon, the GTM, Hiring, and Product Agents will join the lineup, all powered by the same memory-native backbone. Together, they form a retrievable, evolving company brain. An AI co-founder that grows with you. Tanka's EverMemOS engine creates persistent long-term memory, capturing every conversation, document, and workflow across your tools. Its vertical agents combine this shared memory with task-specific expertise, delivering instant, context-rich outputs. And it's enterprise-ready, offering full encryption, contextual accuracy, and seamless onboarding through memory-based knowledge transfer. This is how founders finally stop repeating themselves and start compounding their company knowledge. If you're done losing context, re-explaining the same decisions, and wasting hours rebuilding what you already did, it's time to meet your AI co-founder. Go to web.tanka.ai and experience what memory-native AI truly feels like. You can claim 1,000 free credits, that's worth $10 just by using the link in the description below. Go ahead, give it a try, explore all the features, and see how powerful it is for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.